How is it that we're only a few weeks into 2025 and we already have so much new makeup? It's all good stuff though, so I'm super excited. Let's do a what's new in makeup for 2025. I'm sure we're gonna be doing this video a lot because there's still so much rolling in, and most of these products I've already tried, so I have like a good honest review on some of the products, and then some I haven't, so we'll try first impression here on camera. As always, I will link everything in the description box below. I have my coffee. I hope you have your coffee, your tea, your water, your juice, and let's jump into it. I have some new skincare as well. I actually don't have anything on my skin right now. It is winter, my skin is dry, it's flaky, it's tight, it is in desperate need of some moisture. So I just got in this Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner and Moisturizer, and I'm super excited to try it. They actually sent over the entire collection, but we're only gonna use these two today. The packaging is absolutely beautiful, and I love that the toner has a pump. I feel like most of my toners don't have a pump. Feels light, and I can already see a really nice glow on my skin. It's a moisturizer cream, and I love that you can refill the jar, so all you have to do is just buy the little refill package and not have to buy the entire thing again. Oh, it is nice and thick. I love that. I'm gonna put this on the center of my face, and I'm also gonna bring it down to my neck. Yesterday was my birthday, you guys. I turned 34. Can you believe it? I feel like I've been celebrating my birthday on YouTube since I turned 25, maybe 23. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to look back, but I know I've been celebrating my birthday on YouTube for a very long time, so it feels kind of like surreal to like come on here and be like, guys, it's my birthday again. And I know most of you guys have been with me since the beginning. If you haven't, I'm happy you're here, and it's just so nice. I had a really relaxing day. I went to get my nails done. I had like a mommy spa day while the kids were in school, and it was great. And then Jose surprised me with flowers, balloons, a cheesecake. It was just a really nice day. As you get older, you kind of just want more of like that quality time, that me time that you don't really have often by yourself. So it was really nice. I think we're gonna go to Din Tai Fung this weekend, which is one of my favorite restaurants in the entire world. When we lived in California, we will go literally like 5 times a week, and they opened a spot here in New York. Well, I don't live in New York, I live in New Jersey, but it's not, you know, that far from me. Driving 2 hours in comparison to taking a flight for 6 hours is much better. So I'm really excited. Kids love it as well. Jose loves it. So it's gonna be a fun day in the city. If you've never been to Din Tai Fung, ooh, girl, go. I promise you, 10/10. Everything in the menu is amazing. By the way, I didn't even show you my nails. This is what I ended up getting yesterday. I got this burgundy reddish shade. By the way, you guys, these are my natural nails. They have been growing so much. I stopped getting gel for about a year, and then I went back to gel about a month ago. And honestly, like, I'm so happy I took that break because my nails have grown so much. Viviscal, the supplement, has been making my hair and my nails grow. And obviously collagen, I take it every single day. I put it in my coffee, I put it in my smoothie, in my yogurt, literally everything. I am halfway through my favorite lip oil. This is by Ravie Beauty. It's hydrating, it's juicy, it's not sticky, and I love the texture of it. It's not like my other lip oils. We have a new super glowy gel in town, and I'm super excited. I love Star Glow, the original shade. It is one of my favorites. I even have the mini. I carry it in my to-go makeup. This is a new shade, Warm Glow. It has a soft warm gold. I'm gonna use it under foundation today, and I'm gonna use one pump. Honestly, one pump is all you need. I love to use this. Oh wow, that is gorgeous instantly. Like, I can see that glow. I love to use this even by itself because I feel like it gives you the most beautiful glow, and it's not glittery. If you've been following me for a while, if you've been here since 2016, 2017, matte foundation was like all over the place. And then we got into clean girl makeup and dewy makeup, and we forgot about matte foundation. I want to say I've already worn this foundation over 10 times because every time I wear it, I always get compliments. Jose's always like, oh my God, your skin looks so good. And I'm like, thanks. It's the new Anastasia foundation. It has great coverage. Let's go ahead and put her on. It definitely has a thicker consistency, so you don't need a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on the center of my face. It has medium to full coverage, so start with a little bit and then work your way up. I love how this looks on my skin. It has a soft matte finish, so it's not a true matte. It's not going to look dry or flaky on the skin. It covers very well. It lasts all day. Like, I mean, girl, I wore this from 8 in the morning when I was out and about till like 7, I want to say, because I'm already putting the kids to bed around 7:30. So 7, I need to have my face fully off my skin. This is a gorgeous, long-lasting foundation. If you're looking for coverage, if you're looking for matte, definitely give this a try. And I still have so much left, so half a pump I feel like does a good job at covering the entire face. 2025, we're doing soft matte makeup, and I feel like this is a great start to that. And because I used a super glowy gel first, and then I did a matte foundation, I'm getting this gorgeous, beautiful inner glow. Okay, I don't have a new concealer, so I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer, which is my Hourglass concealer, and we're gonna conceal these under eyes. Another trend this year is purple powder, which at first I was like, what, like purple? I can't do that. That's not gonna look on my skin. And then I tried it and I was like, ooh, okay, now I get it. So this is the new Huda Beauty collection. It's the Ube birthday collection. I'm gonna start with the liquid blush. This is an Ube cream. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my cheekbones and then we'll blend it out. It's so pretty because when you blend it out, it almost turns into a gorgeous light pink. And this formula is very pigmented. So if you've never tried the Huda Beauty liquid blushes, you want to build your way up because a little bit goes a very long way. And now the star of the show, I'm so excited because I have been using this and I do feel like it looks really nice on the skin. It definitely looks purple on camera. It looks purple in person, but when you put it on, it does not look like that. So I put a little bit on the cap. I'm going to use a little puff and I'm going to apply this directly on my eyes. This is what it looks like on the puff. You're going to see what that's going to look like. Again, still looks purple, right? I want you to let me know in the comments what you think. This is without the purple powder and this is with the purple powder. And do the other eye. The powder does look really pretty, but I wouldn't necessarily use this every single day or with like my no makeup looks, you know what I mean? Because it does have a tint to it. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Chanel Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. This is relatively new as well. I got it maybe like a month and a half ago and I've just been in love with it. I actually got it in 2 shades. I got it in a darker shade to use as a bronzer, and then I got it in a lighter shade to use as my under eye setting powder. Oh my god, this was definitely a splurge. It was one of my favorite and best purchases so far. I have been using them every single day since I got it. The formula is super lightweight. It doesn't change the texture of your foundation, of your concealer. It sits really nice on the skin. It blends so seamless. The formula is super buttery and soft, but it doesn't like go away when you put it on the skin, if that makes any sense. So I ended up getting the powder because again, it's really sheer, so you can build it up and work your way towards like a natural to a more dramatic look. I'm heading out today, so I'm gonna give myself a little wing. Tarte has a new mascara. It's the Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Mascara, and this is supposed to be a serum and a mascara in one. I have been using this every single day since I got it. I love the formula. It's nice and thick, so it makes my lashes look super full and voluminous, which I love. Here's a good before and after. This is a before and this is the after, so I feel like it tripled in size. This is a really good mascara when you don't want to wear falsies. Honestly, I don't really wear falsies like that anymore. So I'm always on the hunt for a good mascara that's going to give me that full look. Look at those lashes, girl. I love, 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 love a good thickening mascara. Guys, we didn't get to use this powder. Okay, I think I'm going to do a full video on this because I got it a few days ago and I've been testing it out and I absolutely love it. It's such a good powder. e.l.f. has just been back to back non-stop giving us the goods, and this is no exception. I really, really like it. Okay, maybe I'll do a full video on that because I already did a setting powder, so we can't go in with another setting powder because I don't want to look cakey. You're gonna be seeing this all over your For You page, all over your feed. These new shades are absolutely stunning. She's Seductive is the one that I've been using the most. It's such a gorgeous neutral rosy shade. This, She Goes to the Gym. So a gorgeous berry shade. She left me on red, which is a true red. I cannot wait to use this. She knows who she is. You guys know I love my neutrals, my browns. This is going to look stunning on the cheeks. And I also got their new brush, which is incredible. I'm gonna go in with the cream and then I'm gonna blend that out. So pretty. It's such a good neutral shade. It reminds me a lot of this MAC blush. Oh my gosh, I almost knocked that light over. Gingerly looks a little bit more peach, but in that same family. Oh, that is gorgeous. And I'm gonna do the powder on top. Again, very pigmented, so make sure you dust off that brush before you apply it on the skin. Finishing off the video with lips, MAC just launched their iconic lip collection, their iconic nudes. They relaunched some of their shades, and then they launched some new shades. We're gonna use Cool Spice from their new collection. This pencil, you guys, is mega viral. It is sold out everywhere. I mean, everyone is going crazy for it. It is a gorgeous mauvey brown neutral shade, and it has a cool undertone. Spice is the original shade. You know. The original Spice is just as iconic, one of my favorites. It's a lot more deeper, looks a lot more reddish on camera, but it's still a really pretty neutral shade that you can do with neutral lipsticks. I'm gonna do Cool Spice today. This lip liner is the exact same shade as my lips. I'm not even kidding, I'm gonna show you right now. I am going to outline my lips, and I'm gonna ask you, where is the lip liner? Because you cannot see it. And the great thing about that is that you can use this lip liner with all of your favorite nude lipsticks. So if you have a nude combo that you absolutely love, but you can never find that perfect lip liner to use with, get this. This is the one, look at that. It's so pretty, it almost like contoured my lips. Look at that, so pretty. Even with the lip oil that I used in the beginning of the video, it goes so perfect with it. It's one of those shades that's really going to enhance your natural lip color if you have light to medium skin tone. I almost didn't even want to mention it in the video because one, it's sold out, and two, like I'm like, okay, maybe I'll gatekeep that because I do love that lip liner. And then to finish off, I'm gonna go in with the new Revlon High Shine Glass. I love this. Is another really exciting launch, and I did a short video on it. I absolutely love it. This is Rum Raisin. You probably already saw my video on this shade, and it's so glassy and shiny and pigmented and delicious. And I'm so glad that Revlon decided to bring it in this gorgeous packaging. Today we're gonna go in with Nude Illuminator. This shade is one that is very popular and a lot of people love. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on top. Oh, guys, how gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness, I want more. This is so stunning. Guys, I think I found the perfect pair. Wow, so soft and moisturizing and hydrating. I'm gonna finish off by setting my face with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Impeccable setting spray. I've used it quite a few times already, and I do like it. It has a very fine mist, look at that. Ooh, and it goes far too, which is really nice. So don't put it directly on your face, put it a few inches away. We're all done. This is the final look. I am so happy with how this video turned out. I feel like this was such a good what's new in makeup because everything, I feel like for the most part, was a hit, and it turned out really good. So I'll link everything in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.